In this video, I will show you how you can download Phantom Wallet on PC. To do this, just go to phantom.com, and from there in the top right, what you want to do is just click download, and there you will find the supported browsers. So they currently support Firefox, Chrome, Brave, and Microsoft Edge. So if you're using any of these browsers, then you can go and download it. If you're not using these, then you will need to start using one of them, even if it's just to use Phantom. But for example, I'm on Chrome, so I will click on Chrome, but just click on the one that you are using. Then it will take you to the App Store for that browser. So I have already installed Phantom Wallet, therefore for me it says remove from Chrome. For you it will say add to Chrome. So just click on that, and then from there in the top right, click on the puzzle icon, at least if you are using Chrome, but just open up your extensions, and there you will then find Phantom, which is Phantom Wallet. There you can then sign in, and then you will find your Phantom Wallet. So now you know how to download Phantom Wallet on PC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.